Welcome to Home Tools Idea. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Dear friends, are you looking for manual meat grinder? Now we will see best 5 manual meat grinder from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click in the bell icon. Stainless steel clamp-on hand grinder. Total review of this grinder is 442, and people rate 4.2 out of 5. Specifications. This grinder provides with 3 stuffing tubes. It includes a powerful knife for precise cutting. It can handle continual sealing. Very easy to clean. Bellemain manual meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 658, and people rate 4.1 out of 5. Specifications. Designed with a big suction cup. The disc comes with an ideal hull of inch, made of stable plastic and stainless steel blade. Basic parts are detachable and washable. Please like, comment and subscribe. Gideon hand crank manual meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 1,341, and people rate 3.8 out of 5. Specifications. It is a super affordable grinder. It comes with 2 plates for mincing. This manual grinder is easy to operate, portable, compact and easy to clean. LHS manual meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 1,605, and people rate 3.8 out of 5. Specifications. Built with heavy-duty plastic for durability. It includes a pusher to push meat. This manual grinder is easy to operate. All the basic parts are detachable and washable. FAN W3N1 manual meat and vegetable grinder. Total review of this grinder is 1,240, and people rate 4.1 out of 5. Specifications. It is a very affordable grinder. It doesn't require much time and effort to grind. You will get a nice free bowl with the grinder. Cleaning process is easy and dishwashable. Check the description box for more information about the products. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more.